Tired of worrying about accidents and road rage incidents? Introducing the 1080p dual camera dash cam, your ultimate in-car security solution. Today, we're diving deep into this powerful dash cam that offers crystal clear 1080p video recording, IR night vision, loop recording, and a wide-angle lens. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. Key features and benefits. 1080p dual camera. With two high-resolution cameras, you'll have a clear view of the road ahead and inside your car. Perfect for capturing accidents, road rage incidents, or even potential theft attempts. IR night vision. Even in the darkest conditions, this dashcam's infrared sensors ensure clear, detailed night vision footage. Loop recording. Never run out of storage space. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites older footage, ensuring continuous recording. Wide-angle lens. Capture a wider field of view with the wide-angle lens, giving you a comprehensive view of the road. The 8.03cm IPS screen provides clear and vibrant video playback. High-quality video recording. Excellent night vision, loop recording. Feature wide-angle lens, easy to install, affordable price. Some users mentioned a slight delay in video playback. Based on the positive reviews and the impressive features, the 1080p dual camera dash cam is a solid choice for any